Hello everyone, I'm Ray, the product manager responsible for automation products at ADLINK Technology. In the past, motion control cards were used to meet the requirements for factory production. Now, this function can be done by software. And this software can be installed on different computers, yet still fulfill the diverse process requirements on the production line. In the future, factories will aim towards reducing production costs and advancing manufacturing technologies. SoftMotion control systems offer high efficiency and high integration, perfect for factories. Fast, fierce, precise. Our fast solution is purely software-based. Compared with physical cards that require multiple layers of data communication, our software achieves a performance increase of up to 20%. ADLINK Technology boasts over 25 years of fierce experience in the industrial control sector. We provide a variety of high to low-end IPCs. With SuperCAT, we can meet customer automation needs on a wide range of equipment. SuperCAT, combined with our industrial control system, provides motion control functionality and requirements for precise measurement and sensing. We also offer solutions for image and data acquisition, all integrated into this single control system. The semiconductor industry demands high speed, high precision, and high volume production capacity, while robotics also requires precise synchronization for controlling each joint. SuperCAT fulfills three factory automation requirements: high performance, flexibility of hardware choice, and meeting diverse application requirements.